Hey guys, what's up? Sat Sri Akal. This is your host Samarth Kakdiyal. So guys, almost like every human being on this planet knows about coronavirus now. But are you an informed person? Are you someone who just knows about the headlines and WhatsApp rumors and all, or do you actually know what is going around in the world? So this quiz that I have made of 30 questions, it will help you get the answer, whether you are informed or you are not so informed. Okay, and the difficulty level here is easy to medium. I don't think any of the questions are very hard. I think most people would be able to get a good score on this. Now questions can have multiple answers. Okay, so if there are A, B, C, D options, हो सकता है that A and B are correct, B and C are correct. So questions can have multiple answers. And of course, if you answer a question correctly, that is, you answer all the correct options of that question, then award yourself 1 point. So without further ado, let's begin.
Your time starts now. Time up, sir. Time up.
क्या हो गया? Done. So let us look at the answers.
किसी ने ये सोचा कि आज कुछ नया सीखने को मिलेगा, मजा आएगा.
Okay, this question was easy. The correct answer is SARS-CoV-2. One was the SARS virus that came in, I think, 2002 or 2003. And version 2 has been reserved for this coronavirus. It is like a new strain of that virus. The second question, the correct answer here is 1 to 14 days. This is what the WHO says is the most common incubation period of the virus. Some people, yes, they do get infected like after 21 days or so, but they are a minority. The most common is 1 to 14 days. Antarctica, again, because no human to human transmission has happened there yet. Question 4. So ears, in these ads, they always tell you ki do not touch your eyes, mouth and nose. They never say ears, because ears is that human body part from which the virus does not enter, right? The question asked does not enter. Question 5. So I think some people might have answered here C, both. Now the trick here is that in option A it says prevent yourself from getting infected. Agar option A, if it had been it reduces the risk of you getting infected, then yes, option A would also have been correct. But option A says prevent yourself, as if you are never going to be infected with the virus if you wear a mask. So which is why option B is the correct option here. Question 6 again based on the most famous WhatsApp rumor कि भाई in summer the coronavirus will die. So there is absolutely no evidence for this, whether the virus dies in hot temperatures or cold temperatures or even rainy areas. Question 7 again the WhatsApp rumor, answer is false. Question 8 though, if you have been regularly following the updates, you should definitely know that the city name in China where this virus originated, it was Wuhan. How many more days to go before we reach the peak? Frankly, nobody has any idea. Even the health officials, the WHO, no one has any idea about when the peak will be reached. This is uncharted territory that we are in right now. Question 10. Actually, the group which is at the highest risk of developing severe illness is older people who are old age or people who have some pre-existing medical condition. So this statement is clearly false. Now this was an interesting question. So the thing about this virus is that it is highly infectious, like it gets very easily transmitted from person to person, but it is not deadly. It is not a deadly virus. The mortality rate is pretty low. So which is why the correct option here is highly infectious. Can it be easily treated? Well, if there is a person, let's say of old age, who has been infected with the coronavirus, then it is very likely that person will die. So there's no easy treatment of this available right now. Question 12. So many people might not know this, but COVID-19 is the name of the disease. So coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2, that is the name of the virus, and the disease which it causes, which is this disease where you have headaches and fever and dry cough and all, that disease is called COVID-19. So question 13, of course, clearly sneezing is not a common symptom of COVID-19, but cough, fever and feeling lethargic, they are considered common symptoms of COVID-19, but not sneezing. Question 14. So, if you have bought some groceries, let's say a food packet or something, then before consuming it in the house, you should always wipe it. You should always wipe the surface with a disinfectant. And the reason being that disinfectants can kill any virus on the surface, including the coronavirus. Question 15. So it is now known that this virus has a natural animal origin. It originated in most likely bats or some other animal. So there is no doubt about it that this virus has a natural animal origin. Now question 16, I think people might not have been able to get the right answers here because all the options are correct. The reason being the life cycle of the virus on a surface, it is not proven that for how many hours or for how many days it can survive. It depends on a lot of factors. It depends upon the type of surface. It depends upon the environmental condition there. So it depends on a lot of surfaces. So from few hours to few days, the answer can vary in all those ranges, which is why all the options are correct here. Question 17, many people still believe that the virus is spreading via air, which is false. The virus is only spreading because of human to human transmission. It is not spreading because the virus is traveling in the air. So this is clearly false. Question 18, I think all Indians should know this. Maharashtra is the worst affected state. Question 19, again a very famous WhatsApp rumor that you should stop eating eggs or non-veg. So of course it's false. Question 20, I think this would be a hard question because people might not know the definition of asymptotic transmission. So asymptotic transmission means that you can get affected from a person who himself is not showing any symptoms of the disease, which is what has been happening in COVID-19. There are many people who have the virus, but they do not show any symptoms. And in the meanwhile, they keep making other people infected by coming in contact with them. So asymptotic transmission of COVID-19 is happening. Question 21. So option A, B and C are correct here. Italy has been really badly affected by it because there are a lot of old people in the population. Their culture is such that they touch each other physically a lot. And the northern part of Italy, it's like an industrial area of Italy, and it has a lot of immigrant workers from different countries, and it is believed that these workers brought in the virus from other countries. Question 22, it is more of a general knowledge question. So endemic means that disease is always found in that particular area. So that disease is native to that region or that people, that population. So that is why the correct answer here is an endemic, which means that disease is always found to be local to a particular region or a particular population. Question 23. So there have been few cases reported where it has been observed that the virus has actually been jumping from humans to animals. Some pets have been affected and some animals in zoo have been affected. So, but still scientists have not been able to clearly say whether this virus can jump from humans to animals. So right now we have insufficient evidence to say anything about it. Now question 24. If you look at the first part of the question, that people should eat more nutritious food, the reason why you say that people should eat nutritious food is so that their immune system becomes stronger. And if your immune system becomes stronger, then yes, there is less likelihood of you catching diseases. But giving a motherhood statement like you should eat nutritious food in order to protect yourself from getting infected from corona, so that statement would be false. Are smokers more vulnerable? Absolutely yes. The reason being, जब सुट्टा मारते हैं तो their hands are touching the cigarette and the cigarette is touching the lips. So there is a chance the virus can enter through their mouth. That is one reason. And the second thing is that smokers, in general, smokers have weaker lungs, right? They have, or their lungs are not as healthy as that of a non-smoker. So which is why they have a higher chance of getting infected from the coronavirus. Antibiotics. Now, antibiotics are helpful when the cause is a bacteria, right? So if you have some bacterial infection, then yes, antibiotics are helpful. But in coronavirus, we are talking about a virus, not bacteria, which is why antibiotics are of no use here. The estimated mortality rate right now is 1% to 3%. This is the generally accepted mortality rate. Which body system does it attack? We all know it attacks the respiratory system, which is why people have, they develop difficulty in breathing and all. So question 29, is it necessary that you can recover only in a hospital? Well, the answer is false. There have been many people, they just self-quarantine, they get infected and they can self-quarantine at home. Depends on how strong is your immune system. A stronger immune system means you can actually, recover at home itself. Question 30 might be a little difficult question for most people. The answer here is all of the above. All the three drugs have been in the news and they are considered as promising in order to treat the disease. Now mind you, these drugs are not vaccine. We are not talking about how to prevent getting infected. We are talking about how to treat the disease of COVID-19. That is, once you get affected, once you have the disease, then what drugs can you take in order to recover? So these are those three drugs. And the bonus question, I think most people would know, like all these different countries are having lockdown so that their healthcare system can keep up with the number of patients, or so that there is not a sudden surge in the number of patients and the hospitals and everything, they cannot take care of so many patients. So it's all about delaying the peak or flattening the curve. You might have read about this term, flattening the curve. So that's the main purpose of the lockdown. So what is your score? Are you less than 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30? Or you are Einstein level and you got more than 30 correct? Because there were a total of 31 questions. Anyways, I hope you gained some knowledge out of it. You are now a much more better informed individual and you can inform others. Don't rely on WhatsApp rumors and all. That's all for the day. I will see you guys soon. This is Kakdial signing out.
क्योंकि मैं अपने कमजोर स्टूडेंट्स का हाथ कभी नहीं छोड़ता.